The DJI Mic Mini 2, titingnan natin ngayon. So, the box is here. Kunin natin yung plastic na yan. Sa buhay natin, hindi natin kailangan ng plastic. So, DJI Mic Mini 2 wireless microphone. Quick look video lang po ito. Titingnan natin. Walang halong review. So, we have there anong laman ng box and then the features. You can screen capture that kung gusto nyong tingnan. Kasi bubuksan na natin to. So paglabas, andyan yung pouch kasama yung plastic. Naka-plastic siya. And then we also have here the stickers and the user manual. DJI stickers po yan. So pwedeng ibenta yan kung, di ba, kung ayaw mo na. So buksan natin and we have this pouch here with the DJI branding. By the way guys, we're gonna do Taglish most of the time as a rebrand of our channel. So itong pouch na to, when you open it up, makikita nyo itong colorful box, yung parang dinalagyan ng gagamba ng mga bata tayo. And then there you go, you have their different colors. So eto, alam naman natin lahat, these are the interchangeable mic covers from DJI. So magnetic yan. Missing yung dalawa dyan kasi nandoon sa dalawang mic. And then we have these wires over here. So meron tayo ditong Type C to Type C, and of course we have this 3.5mm jack. Yan po yung sinasaksak natin sa camera when we use the mic using the receiver sa ating mga cameras or phones that have that jack. So binuksan natin itong charging port na naging case din, and we have here the DJI Mic Mini 2. So ngayon kung napapansin niyo, it has a transparent cover, parang grayish transparent siya. And straight out of the charging case, makikita natin yung wind protection andyan na. And then we also have here the receiver. Yan po yung sinasaksak natin sa cameras natin. And that's where it got synced. Meron tayong USB-C na adapter sa receiver. So all of those nandito sa case na yan. Pero hindi ko na ipakita that there is also included itong dalawang magnetic thing na to with the DJI logo. So, ito ay kasama din sa package, and also yung dalawang black na magnetic covers. So, you have those gray, ito yung colorful, tapos merong dalawang black. Siyempre, kailangan talaga yan. By the way, yung magnet kanina, ginagamit ito sa likod. So if you want to take away this clip and you want it na hidden or naka-stick siya sa clothing natin, yung magnet ginagamit, nilalagay sa likod, hindi po malalaglag yung mic natin. So yan po, ito din yung covers natin na interchangeable. Depende kung ano yung trip nyong kulay at ano ang gusto natin theme sa araw na yon. So pwede natin i-interchange yan. Diba, parang ito yung nagbibigay ng theme, ng motive. You know, sa mga kagaya natin na kailangan natin ng kakaiba na namang feel. So, parang you have different microphones. And that's it. Yan po yung laman ng quick look natin ng box ng DJI Mic Mini 2. Please subscribe. Tell me what you think. This is Rye. See you on the next vlog. Bye, guys.